Welcome to Hospitality Property School. You are listening to Hospitality Property School with your host, Jerry McPherson. Welcome to another edition of Hospitality Property School. I am your instructor, Jerry McPherson, and today I am going to look at how to help prevent theft in a hospitality property. So how is hospitality property theft prevented? Hospitality properties are filled with many opportunities for thieves to steal from guests and the property alike. Most guest rooms are filled with many items of value and technology, such as TVs, towels, robes, and computers. The following are some steps that hospitality properties can take to help prevent theft. The basics: strategically placed cameras in the halls and public areas. Up-to-date locking systems that require either a key, magnetic card, or electronic card for entry. An additional deadbolt or latch-type lock on every guest room door so that they cannot be opened from the outside. And this provides the guests with more security when inside the room. While these basic security features may not eliminate all unwanted entry, it can act as a deterrent for thieves. Employee screening. Your employees are your most valuable asset. For this reason, you need to take your hiring process seriously. By doing background checks, including criminal, you might be able to eliminate the potential for future issues. Regular and unscheduled drawer counts and inventory checks to help you keep track of your property's items and cash. Safes. Provide in-room safes to help prevent theft. A main safe in the office, where you and your staff can keep your own cash and valuables, and if requested, where guests can leave their valuable personal items. Have your front desk staff record every item they accept for safe storage, who it's from, and who accepted it. Limit the number of staff employees who have access to the safe and its contents, and when not in use, lock it. Technological advances. Stolen towels and other guest room amenities can amount to a significant expense for many hospitality properties. If this is a problem for your property, there is technology that involves the placement of tiny electronic devices inside towels and other items subject to theft. These miniature transmitters send out a signal when removed from the original location. If this is a problem, towel monitoring will result in a reduced loss in revenue. Internal policy. Make sure you make a deposit at the end of each business day so there is not a significant amount of money on hand to attract thieves. In conclusion, I have just presented you with a few ideas to get you thinking, from cameras, door locks, safes, and advanced technology, as well as hiring the best staff you can find to ensure all your policies are followed. I am interested in hearing about what processes you have in place to cut back on theft. If you have any stories about how to prevent theft in a hospitality property and would like to share or have questions or feedback, leave them in the comment section of the show notes. You can find them at KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com/KHDC099. That's it for today's session of Hospitality Property School. We appreciate your comments, and if you have topic ideas, reach out to us on Facebook at facebook.com/KeystoneHDC, on Twitter at twitter.com/KeystoneHDC, or by email at info@KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com. As always, let's work together to put more heads in your beds. Till next time, have a fun day. This session of Hospitality Property School has come to a close. Be sure to subscribe so as not to miss any hospitality property tactics and strategies that will help you find the success you have always dreamed of. And don't forget to rate and review so we can continue to bring you the best content possible. We will see you next time, right here in Hospitality Property School.